Hi, welcome back to my channel. Karina here. And if you're new, welcome. I am Karina and I love to paper craft. And today is Christmas series episode number 7. Today we're going to decorate a bulletin board. And let me show you the materials. So this is the bulletin board that I bought last year. And it is from, I believe, Jelly Bean or Maya Road. And I always use this bulletin board in my craft room in one of my shelves on the back. And normally decorate it depending on the season. So now we're going to decorate it for Christmas. And again, using the same color scheme. Pinks, teals, red, white, gold. And I am going to be using the Holiday Bash Recollections paper pad. And to make this video a little bit short, I already selected one of the papers and cut it. So this paper is, let me see if I have it here somewhere. Yeah, it's this one. So it's like this big 12 by 12 page. What I did, I just cut it this section to show the fox and the doggies. It's like so cute. So because the background is kind of neutral, beigey brown, I selected these doilies. So what I'm going to do is place the doilies probably this side, just to keep some rhythm, and anchor the image so it's not loose, like floating in the middle of the board. Okay, so you got some rhythm here, some rhythm there, and I put together these mini banners. I use like the foil paper, some glitter paper, and one of the papers from the paper pad collection, and use my mini attacher and staple the Walmart tulle pink ribbon. So I was thinking of putting these over here and probably moving a little bit down. So what I am doing right now is laying things down before I glue and decide what I have to do. So I love these like that, corner, and now let's put it like that. Probably I'm going to move these a little bit up to bring more of the color up. And of course we have to have a sentiment. There we go. So that's it. So it's good. It's not floating too much. You see how this is a rectangle and I have circles, the shapes, a lot of texture. Then I have this chipboard from the Snow and Cocoa collection. Thinking of putting the chipboard over here, and then what else? More chipboard from the Snow and Cocoa collection. I think this one deserved. Just gonna put it over here. I got these puffy stickers from the Snow and Cocoa collection and I just love it. And I love these houses, but here beautiful and bright. And these bows from Hobby Lobby, just to anchor the colors. like that. Let's see. Now, here is a sentiment, and I'm gonna take it out because I need something that says Christmas or winter or something. I have a winter doesn't look good. What about these other chipboard? Snowflake and Kisses. I like this one over here. Snowflake and Kisses. And I'm probably gonna put this over here like that. Like that. I'm gonna put this guy over here. Snowflakes and Kisses, the chipboard, and I think that's fine. It's not too. Oh, I found this. I'm looking at here at my stash, and I found this snowflake, which is just perfect. I can put the snowflake, add more texture with the doilies and the snowflake. So it goes along with the pointy banner. So I have like here round shapes and pointy shapes, and let's see if I find more. Looking, and I think I am gonna go with that. And I just love this puffy. Oh, maybe I can use this bunny. No, I don't want to cover the doggy. Put the bunny over here. The bunny look too cluttered? No. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to pin this with some of my, so now I'm going to use my golden bow pins and paint all this. I'm gonna paint over here like that so it holds the paper. I don't have to glue anything. And I'm going to pin this one like that. And I'm going to pin this one too. I have to do like a little hole here because use my punch and get me a little hole here so I can put the bow and pin it down. Okay, so it covers the other bow. Yeah, I want the bow to disappear. There. Okay. Bows here, and then I need to put something else over here to hold the doilies and the chipboard. Like a lot of bows everywhere. Okay, so this is it. Quite plain and simple. Didn't have to glue anything, just use some of my pins that I have, like golden bows, and here is, I'm gonna come closer here. So it's very easy to do. I used the Recollection Holiday Bash paper pad, which I loved. It has all the colors, Snow and Cocoa chipboard, a little banner that I created, a paper studio, golden bow, and more Snow and Cocoa puffy stickers, and a couple of doilies that I had in my stash, and the snowflake from the Falala collection from last year that I had like a leftover of it. So this is it. This is the board. And if you're interested in watching the previous days of my Christmas series, I will leave the playlist link in the description box below. And if you haven't done so, click the subscribe button and tap that bell so you can get notified when I upload videos. Thanks for watching, and see you on my next video. Bye.